What's cracking, y'all? Tire shop. I got a long trip ahead of me tomorrow for the next 7 days. I had a tire that had a hole in it on the side. Had that for the longest, so I thought maybe I should go ahead and swap that out today, so I won't have any problems on the road or whatnot. As you guys know, if you didn't know, I had 4 of the Goodyear Eagle RSAs on there. These boys. I had to swap it out. It's a Goodyear Advantage or something like that. So I got 3 Goodyear Eagle RSAs and 1 Goodyear Advantage. That's the best one that they had in the shop. Back in the game now. I shouldn't have said bye. Oh yeah, correction. It was a BF Goodwrench Advantage tire. It wasn't no Goodyear tire. It was a damn BF Goodwrench. I don't know why I thought I was saying Goodyear, but it wasn't. It was a limited. I had a limited choice. I couldn't pick a particular brand. It's pretty much what they had. That's what the type of those tire shops are. But I do plan on, before the winter hit, is getting some good decent tires. I was looking at tires a while back, and those give me the game on tires, guys. Like, what's up with these all-season tires? Because that sounds perfect. All-season tires. Like, why don't everybody buy all-season tires? Like, why would you just buy winter tires? Or, what I'm saying? Does those actually work? Is what I'm saying. Are they effective? The all-season tires. Because what I'm saying, in Chicago, I definitely need some good snow tires. But those snow, and it gets hot in Chicago also, so those snow tires don't handle well on hot pavement. So it's like, do I get all season tires, or do I just recoup on the Eagle RSAs? They pretty expensive. They at $2-something, damn near $300 a tire. Should I buy if anything, if I do buy some more Goodyear Eagle RSAs, I'll probably buy them by the twos, like, what I'm saying. Get like $500, put it together and buy 2 tires for the back, one, and then 3 months later, what I'm saying, if I could recoup the money for tires, and do it like that, what I'm saying. I ain't got no complaints on them. A lot of people say they handle funny in the rain, which is true. What I'm saying, I don't even like driving this goddamn car in the rain. So, I mean, and that was the reason why I wasn't so antsy to jump on getting some new Eagle RSA tires, because I wanted to see what was out there. So if you guys know what's out there, hit the boy King Crown 71 comment section and let me know what the fuck is out there for the boy, man. What y'all driving, man? What y'all got on y'all feet of y'all car, man? What are y'all whipping y'all car on, man, so I can know, what I'm saying, how they handle, what's your experiences with them and things of that nature. And now I'm definitely out this time. It's your boy King Crown P71. I'm definitely out this time. Peace.